Hi, I'm Kimberly Jackson. The problems that I was experiencing before I met Dr. Hume was I had lost the feeling in the whole left side of my body, starting from my head down to my toes. And the first doctor I went to was my regular doctor, my primary care physician, and she originally thought that I might have had a brain tumor, so I got tested for that. And then that's when I started going to different doctors. I went to regular doctors, 5 different doctors. I did all the tests that they recommended. I took all the medications that they recommended, and I went undiagnosed for 2.5 years. I actually had one doctor tell me that it was all in my head, and I just had a severe headache and a severe pain in my back and my shoulders, and the left side of my body. I would lose feeling off and on, and especially in my hand and in my arm, and it was very scary. And my husband actually is the one who told me about Dr. Hume. He had seen her in the past, and she really helped him a lot with his health. And he said because she continued to send him a birthday card each year, that's why he remembered her. And he saw the amount of pain that I endured and just how the different doctors didn't know how to help me. And I did go to a chiropractor in the end that was closer to my house. And then that chiropractor, I never got better after seeing that chiropractor for 2 years. And then, so that's when I started seeing Dr. Hume. And it wasn't as close to home as the chiropractor I saw before, but the drive has definitely been worth it. The first time I saw her, I was surprised at the relief that was given to my body, just my headache alone. I was at a place where I was in so much pain constantly. I didn't want to live the rest of my life that way. And it was just very debilitating, the state that I was in. And I've been seeing Dr. Hume now since, I think it's been since 2000. And she now treats my whole family, myself, my husband, and my 2 kids. And I just think she's great. And I am in such better health since I've met her. I don't have headaches like I used to have, and the left side of my body has its feeling back. And you know, as long as I do the exercises that she recommends, and as long as I go in for the treatments when she recommends that I go in to have them done, then life is good. The way Dr. Hume treated me was she treated me like I was an individual. The chiropractor that I saw before I met her, the one that was closer to my house, he treated every patient the same. Every person got the same kind of treatment from him. And my husband went to him once and noticed the difference between that chiropractor and Dr. Hume. And that's when he recommended that I go to Dr. Hume. And when I went to meet her for the first time, I was just amazed at how she spent time with me and got to know my situation, and how she just really addressed the problems that I was dealing with. And she has been treating me ever since that first visit, and she treats me like I'm a person and not just a patient. And she addresses my individual needs, which is, I think, the reason why I'm in such better health now since I've met her. I would recommend Dr. Hume because I know what a difference there's been in my life since I've met her. I was so bad off before with my health and with pain and so forth, and I feel so much better now. And I would just recommend that if anybody is experiencing any type of medical issue, go see her and see if there's anything she can do to help. And I know her well enough to know that if there is something that she cannot do to help you, that she'll be honest with you and let you know. Before I met Dr. Hume, I was very skeptical of chiropractors. It's not something that I was familiar with growing up. But since I've met her, and since I've now seen the results that she has given me and my health, excuse me, as well as my family's health, I would recommend her and chiropractic care. I would give it a try without hesitation. Okay. Don't be afraid to try something new. If chiropractic care is something that you're not familiar with, because with Dr. Hume, you will be in good hands, and she'll take care of you if she can, and if she's not able to, then she'll let you know. And there's a good possibility that she will be able to point you in the right direction to get the kind of help that you need. That's it.